Today I will show you that how you can easily delete Instagram message from both sides. That's quite simple and easy. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. As for example, you have sent a message to someone on Instagram and you want to delete it from both sides. What you'll have to do is to, for example, if we long press this message and we simply tap on delete, like this delete for you, what it will do is to it will remove the message from your side, but it will not prevent the other person from seeing the message. So if you want to do that, you'll have to long press the message like this and then hit unsend and then hit unsend again. Now what it will do is it will remove the Instagram message from both sides, and the person that you have sent the message to will not be able to see this message. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.